All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So the Bitcoin price is struggling right now. And really, it's just kind of boring right now. But the part of, this whole story that not a lot of people are talking about is why. And in this video, we're going to go through not one, not two, but three reasons why Bitcoin's price is struggling. Now, even if you don't own Bitcoin, obviously, we need Bitcoin to do well in order for the rest of the market to do well. And we've got Ethereum ETFs. I think that is a nice catalyst coming for us here as we look forward to July. Speaking of which, July 2nd is still our target date for Ethereum ETFs. That's coming from Eric Balkunas over at Bloomberg. But when Bitcoin starts to move, we know the rest of the market follows suit. And first and foremost, we want to start with the first reason as Bitcoin continues to kind of just trend sideways and really not move that much. We want to start with the first reason, and that is ETFs. Now, we had a ton of inflows come into the spot Bitcoin ETFs to really start things off, but now we're under 64,000. Bitcoin's at 63,700 at the time of this recording. And if we take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin ETFs, investors have been withdrawing their capital here for multiple days. On June 19th, 4 days ago, spot Bitcoin ETFs in the United States recorded outflows for the fifth consecutive day, bringing the total withdrawals for the week to 900 million. When we do zoom out, though, we understand that Bitcoin is kind of trending in this range right now, anywhere from about 57,000 all the way upwards to 72,000. So this price drop in Bitcoin is not something that's detrimental. It's honestly probably a necessary flush out before we get the next big move. Keep in mind, in the middle of bull markets, there are still major pullbacks, okay, within a bull market. And many people will believe that, oh my gosh, this is the end of the road, and that's when the real bull run begins. We saw it happen in 2021. We set all-time highs. We came way down. Everybody thought it was done, and then we shot back up and set even further all-time highs. Okay, but that's what's going on. One reason right now. So according to data from So Value, this is a crypto research platform, the 10 listed ETFs for the Bitcoin ETFs lost approximately 140 million just on June 20th. Now, Grayscale's GBTC, which has mostly seen outflows since its conversion to an ETF, a lot of that due to fees, etc. They converted that over on January 10th, earlier this year. It led outflows with 53 million outflow just on the 20th. Now, the other thing we have, the other reason here is falling network activity is backing Bitcoin's downside. So we've got data from Glassnode revealing that the daily active transactions on the Bitcoin network is slowing down. It's dropped from 971,000 all the way to 632,000. That's from April 4th to June 20th. Okay, so just a ton of less transactions, well over 300,000 less transactions when we take a look at those dates. This marks a 35% decrease in this last 90 days. So Bitcoin is definitely experiencing a downturn right now. And if we take a look at exchange-related on-chain activity, this is where it really pops out, indicating that there has been decreased investor interest in BTC and reduced network usage. Now, this isn't an end-all, be-all. It's just a time period. It's just a snapshot in these last 3 months. Now, we also lost some key support levels with Bitcoin. Okay, we went down, underneath the 50 and 10-day exponential moving averages, which were right around 66,700, 66,600. Now, the 200-day moving average is 64,294, 64,294. So this is the last line of defense here, guys. We are taking a look at this right now. And again, I will not be shocked if Bitcoin drops below this in the short term. All right, 63,700. We are looking at, us right now below that average of 64,294. We're at 63.7. So if we close below this here, we have further downside risk. If we take a look at where we could go on the downside, the key levels to watch are going to be 60K and 56,500. All right, I said 57,000, but basically right in this range. This is where I think Bitcoin will go down to. Now, personally, I don't think we'll go much lower than this on this pullback, 60 or 56.5, somewhere in this range. And then I think we'll be ready to start the next leg up as we, get ready for the back half of the bull run. Really, I think the bigger half of this bull run. So that's kind of where we are right now. That's my 2 cents. Real quick shout out to Margex, guys. It's a great time to leverage trade. And even if you don't want to start today, you want to see if Bitcoin comes down, might be a great opportunity to buy the dip if we do get down to that last line of support down there. As we mentioned, we could dip all the way down to 60 and 56.5. If you guys don't have a leverage trading platform, you're interested in getting one, sign up with Margex, link down below. And also XT Algo, my trading indicator, where you can set up your own customized alerts to get the best entry and exit points in crypto. It'll let you know when the best times to buy. You can see the momentum ups, the momentum down. Guys, a little over $1 a day with the discount code in the description. Definitely check it out. I appreciate you guys for watching this one. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Let me know if you agree with this assessment, disagree with it. And obviously, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, definitely do so. We're bringing you the greatest and best news in crypto every single day. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.